Areas to focus on when troubleshooting resistance welders. Troubleshooting resistance welders requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve issues efficiently. The goal is to get to the root of the problem without wasting valuable production time. 1. Air system. Check the following components: valves, regulator, filter and oiler, cylinder packing, O-rings and seals, pressure switches and limit switches. 2. Welding control. Verify these functions: timing functions, firing signals, inputs such as foot pedals, palm buttons, or PLCs, outputs including valves, relays, and voltages. 3. Transformer. Inspect tap switch, windings, secondary connections. 4. Electrodes. Ensure correct material for the job, proper dressing and cleanliness, correct alignment, water tubes properly installed, adequate water flow. Marlin Steel makes baskets, racks, and carts and wire forms for the medical device and aerospace and food processing industries in the USA and exports to 45 countries. We make the best quality and we appreciate the welding training and partnership with TJ Snow. Please give us a shot on your next project where quality engineering and quick matter.